Look out for a beach coming to Mesa in 2023.
You're riding it, dude! Check it out!
The Lagoon on Canyon Beach, located on the corner of Warner and Power Road, and is coming to Phoenix next summer at the Mekong Plaza. This $220 million development on 40 acres will include hotel, shopping, restaurants, and a bike pump track. I'm sure a lot of people that move to that area are really excited about this. And speaking of moving, if you are thinking about moving and want to save the most, make sure you check out chrishagman.com to learn more. Cole Cannon and his team came up with technology to make a surfing lagoon where the shape and size of waves, along with the length and duration of the run, can be adjusted for skill level. That's awesome, but I wonder how it's gonna work. Will they just adjust the skill level every 10 to 30 minutes? Or will they use some other method? I don't know, we'll have to wait and see. The water will come from a well that's actually on site and has been on site since the 1950s. It's going to use about 8 million gallons of water per year, mostly due to evaporation. What drought? And apparently this is the same amount of water that 65 homes would use every year. And speaking of housing, they're going to add an additional 102 units of apartments. Yeah, apartments. Because why build houses during a housing shortage when you can have more renters? Oh yes, the American dream, renting. This aside, it seems like this is going to be a really cool place to check out. I know I'll definitely be checking it out when it comes next summer.